Today we will discuss on DTL NOR gate. NOR means it is the combination of OR and NOT gate. Last class we have seen DTL NAND gate, circuit diagram, truth table and operation of NAND NOT gate. Today let us see what is the circuit used for DTL NOR gate. It is the combination of OR and NOT gate. First let us take diode OR gate. This is diode 1, this is diode 2, diode 1, diode 2. The cathodes of both diodes are interconnected. The anodes of each diode is acting as a input capital A and capital B. Through this common cathode terminal or this terminal is connected to ground through one resistor. This common terminal is connected to ground through this resistor. This resistor is R1. Let us represent this point is capital P. The point capital P is connected to input of one more NOT gate. So this is given to one NOT gate whose base is this one. This is emitter, this is collector. Because of NPN transistor, the arrow is moving towards the earth. So the collector of this transistor is connected to positive of the power supply through the resistor R2. This is the one more resistor. This value is R2 and this is connected to plus 5 volt. The emitter of this transistor T1 is directly connected to ground. Directly connected to ground. The output is measured across this point Q with respect to ground. This is the output. The inputs are applied between the point capital A and capital B. This is the construction details of DTL NOR gate. The DTL NOR gate consists of diode OR gate, transistor NOT gate. It consists of two diodes D1 and D2 whose cathodes are interconnected, which is grounded through the resistor capital R1. The anodes of both diode acting as a input capital A and capital B. The common cathode point capital P is given to base of one transistor T1 whose collector is connected to plus 5 volt through the resistor R2 and its emitter is given to earth. Construction detail is over. Before analyzing the circuit, what is the truth table? Already we know, but anyway, the input A, another input B, output Y. The output Y is equal to A plus B bar. This is the output of a NOR gate or the Boolean equation for NOR gate. When A is equal to 0, B is equal to 0, 0 plus 0 is equal to 0, 0 complement is equal to 1. The next case 0, 1, 0 plus 1 equal to 1, 1 complement is equal to 0. 1, 0, 1 plus 0 equal to 1, 1 complement is equal to 0. 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1 equal to again 1, 1 complement is equal to 0. This is the truth table for two input NOR gate. With the help of truth table, let us analyze this two input DTL NOR gate. First consider the input capital A and B are 0. 0 means negative voltage, 1 means positive voltage. A is negative, B also negative. Negative and anode of the diode. This is the cathode of the diode. The negative and anode of the diode both are opposite polarity. Opposite polarity means reverse bias. Same polarity means forward bias. This opposite polarity reverse bias the diode D. Similarly, the opposite polarity reverse bias the diode D2. Now, both diodes D1 and D2 are under reverse bias mode. When it is in the reverse bias mode, no conduction, no current generation, no voltage drop across the resistor R1. Now, the voltage P is almost 0 volt. This 0 volt is given to base of the transistor T1. The T1 or the 0 volt hold the transistor T1 in off state because no input cutoff state. When the transistor is in the off state, it is acting as a open circuit. When the transistor is on, it is acting as a closed circuit. When the transistor is acting as a off condition, it is acting as a open circuit. Now the link is breakdown here. It is acting as a open circuit. Under this condition, the applied voltage plus 5 volt passes through the resistor and voltage across this point. You say this point is now Q. This point is Q. The voltage across this point, you connect this point here. The voltage across this point Q is almost equal to applied voltage plus 5, that is 4.7 volt. This is logic high. That shows the first line of the truth table. Now let us discuss the second line of the truth table. A is 0 means negative, B is 1 means positive. A is negative, B is 1 means this is positive. Under this case, the opposite polarity D1 is reverse bias. The same polarity D2 is forward bias. Due to forward bias D2, the diode start conducting. It is acting as a closed circuit. Current starts to flow. That current is passing through the resistor capital R1 causes voltage drop. Therefore, the voltage across this point with respect to ground is almost equal to 4.5 volt. This 4.5 volt switch on the transistor T1, start conducting. Conduction gradually increasing reaches the saturation limit. So at that limit, this transistor is acting as a closed circuit because it is switched on, closed circuit. Which means that there is a link between the positive power supply to ground through the resistor R2 and through the resistor T1. The applied voltage plus 5 volt is grounded now through the two component resistor and transistor because the transistor is closed circuit and no voltage exists at the point Q with respect to ground. It is 0. That shows the second line of the truth table. The third line, A is 1, B is 0. A is positive, B is negative. Under this case, the upper diode D1 is forward bias, the lower diode D2 is reverse bias since it is the opposite polarity. Because of D1, the circuit is closed, start conducting, the current flows, causes voltage drop across R1, that voltage drop is almost equal to 4.5 volt. That volt, again switch on the transistor T1, it is switched on, it is acting as a closed circuit. The applied plus 5 volt is grounded now through the resistor R2 and the transistor, and voltage across the point Q with respect to ground is equal to 0 volt. That shows the third line of the truth table. The fourth row of the truth table, A is equal to 1, B is equal to 1. Both are positive. A is positive, B is positive. This positive voltage forward biases the diode D1, and this positive voltage forward biases the D2. Both diodes are under forward bias condition. Conducting, it is acting as a closed circuit. The current generated, the current is dropped across R1 as a voltage drop. This voltage drop is almost equal to 4.5 volt. Again this 4.5 volt, switch on the transistor T1. T1 start conducting, conduction goes on up to saturation limit. Under that limit, it is acting as a closed circuit. When it is in the closed circuit, there is a link between positive of the power supply and the ground through the resistor R2 and the transistor T1. All the applied bias plus 5 volt is grounded, and no voltage exists between the point Q and ground. Therefore, the output voltage is equal to 0. That shows the last row of the truth table. This is the entire operation of DTL NOR gate.